because you don't know what someone is thinking, and you don't know the pain that they're in. Not only that, is co-workers of mine have taken their own lives. And that was a very, they were very discouraging events. Anything that I can do to help other officers or other people or other potential victims realize that they're not alone, I'd like to do. Policemen are bad about not sharing and keeping everything inside, and I think that has a lot to do with the high suicide rate among first responders. The first thing we want to do is ensure the safety of the innocent people and the first responders, and then the subject is our third concern. Safety is first and foremost, or it should be. But I think officers are pretty good at trying to take care of one another. That's one of the special things about being in law enforcement. My suggestion would be to reach out, because you're not alone. Reach out to anyone. A friend, a loved one, a family member, a co-worker. Reach out to anyone.